Good morning to each and everyone. My name is Jimizela Larobuya, your third reporter for today's meeting. My topic is all about serving and receiving words and badminton supports. Badminton. Who wants to read? Si Mr. Jasser. Uy, Mr.
Badminton is classed as a net and wall game. Net and wall games like badminton are played on a court that is split into two halves by a net and marked out into different areas. Badminton is a racket sport that is played by 2 or 4 players. A singles game involves one person playing against another, and a doubles game is when 2 players play against another 2 players.
Badminton is sports, and badminton is may similarity siya sa table tennis, but except that badminton serve mostly hit below waist high, and with the racket siya pointing downwards, and shuttlecock is not allowed to bounce. Kasi may similarity sila because of serving. Kasi pala sila ng hanggang waist lang. Kasi pag mataas yung pagkakaserve mo, pwede mag-error yung serving mo. And then, sa badminton, hindi allowed na mag-bounce yung shuttlecock. Next is, this is the badminton court. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Yes.
Ang ganda!
Ang ganda ko?
Ay!
No.
Minsan!
Serving and receiving court. Who wants to read? Ellen. Miss Ellen.
Serving and receiving court. First, you shall serve from and receive in the right service court when you or your opponent has scored an even number of points in the game. Service must be diagonal. You shall serve from and receive in the left service court when you or your opponent has scored an odd number of points in the game. And the last one is you and your opponent will hit the shackle alternately and fill up the false ring or the shuttle ceases to be in play.
Sabi dyan, service must be a diagonal. And then, continue lang yung pagsaservice nung server habang wala pa siyang ginagawa, hindi pa siya nag-fall or nagkaka-violation. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Pero if nagka-violation na siya is, mag-alternate na sila. And then, pag nagsiserve naman is, yung sinabi ni Miss Picarin is, dapat pag yung server tas receiver is, hindi siya magkatapat. For example, A, kailangan ang katapat niya is hindi yung, kunwari A, B, C, D. Ang katapat niya dapat is yung B. Nakaano siya. Kaya dapat hindi niya katapat yung receiver. Kasi may other given dyan. Yeah. And then, dun sa right side, dun naman sa right service score is, ang score niya is, even number. Kagaya naman yung mga even number is 2, 4, 6, 8. Yun yung mga scores nila pag naka-point sila. Pero pag naman sa left service score is odd number. Odd number. ODD. Odd number. Kagaya na 1, 7. Kailangan din sa serving and receiving chords is kailangan din ng proper. Kasi pag nag-serve ka, This strokes is kailangan natin to sa pag-badminton para mas maging proper sa pagtira. Tapos may mga dapat kailangan natin itong malaman para mas maganda yung mga shots or like for example is smash, gano'n. Kailangan din natin siya na matutunan kung paano yung proper serves, gano'n. Or kagaya ng drives, tapos clear, tapos smash. Kailangan muna natin matutunan to na strokes na to. Para hindi ka mapili, gano'n.
Para hindi ko may stroke.
Oo, kagaya ng
Mahilig kayo. Ito talaga.
Tawag ka na.
The first is the under chest for the stroke. The stroke that has the name suggests is performed with the forehand grip and it is performed below the level of the chest. The second is the over chest forehand stroke. It's a stroke that, as the name suggests, is performed with the forehand grip and it's performed above the level of the chest. The third is the under chest backhand stroke. It's a stroke that, as the name suggests, is performed with the backhand grip and it's performed below the level of the chest. The fourth is the over chest backhand stroke. It's a stroke that, as the name suggests, is performed with the backhand grip and is above the level of the chest. Lahat ng stroke na yan is very important. Stroke. Yung lahat ng stroke is very important, tapos power. Para maging powerful yun, pagtira mo or pag-smash mo, pag-drill mo, para mas pumasok o maka-score ka.
Grabe, pumasok.
This is, magpapanood ako ng video pa.
Ala!
Porno ba yan? Hindi.